Hi everybody, I'm Stefano from Chimera Wargaming and welcome back to another almost daily vlog. Today I show you how to convert a square base from 25mm to 15 square millimeters. If you have no time to buy a 50 square base millimeter, just use a 4 base from 25mm. Okay, let's start the video. Okay, this tutorial is very easy and fast. I use a 4 25mm square base and I use a cardboard to glue all together. I use a sunacrylate glue because it's very fast to gluing this material, and because we use plastic and cardboard. I apply the first base on the base of the cardboard. I gluing the second base near the first base. Another sunacrylate glue create a perfect bond together for create a strange on the miniatures. The hair driver is perfect to for faster results. I cut the excess of the cardboard. Please be careful when you use the precision knife. I'm gluing on the top of the base another cardboard. And after I use a precision knife to refill the edge of the base. Don't forget to be careful when I use a precision knife, it's very important. I refill again the edge. Baking soda is perfect to cover the hole near to the base. I use a sunacrylate and baking soda together. After it's dry, I use a black matte by Crystal Word. It's acrylic paint and the final result is a matte effect. And after you can cover the gluing bond. Okay, this is the final result, and is a very easy and cheap to do. If you see, the base is a square base, 15 millimeters by 15 millimeters. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you soon in another almost daily vlog. See you soon. Bye.